learn gives me shivers. It's choreographed by Brandon Zahorsky. It is a 32 count 4 while improver level line dance with no tags and no restarts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, talk about the rotation of the last 4 counts of the dance, and then we're going to go around and do 5 walls so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn gives me shivers. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to hop forward and slightly out with our right and our left. So you're going to step your right foot forward and slightly into the right diagonal, and then your left foot to the left side, and we're going to hold. Right now your feet should be about shoulder width apart. You're going to bump your hip to the left, you're going to bump your hip to the right, and then we're going to do 4 bounces around in a curve to the back, and then putting our weight back onto our left foot. So we're going to bump our hip to the left, we're going to bump both hips back, bump your hips to the right, and then put your weight onto your left foot. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left, you're hopping with your right and your left, and 1, hold, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 2, we're going to cross rock our right over our left, recover back onto your left foot and do a triple to the right, stepping right side, left together, right side. You're now going to cross rock your left over your right, recover back onto your right foot, and then you're going to do a quarter turning triple, stepping your left foot to the left side, step your right next to your left, and then make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping forward with your left foot to face 9 o'clock. So let's try that with some counts, doing your cross rock. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 3, we're going to step our right foot forward and slightly cross our left and point your left toe to the left side. You're now going to step your left foot forward and slightly across your right and point your right toe to the right side. We're now going to do a jazz box quarter turn with a cross. We're going to cross our right over our left. You're going to step back with your left, make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping your right foot to the right side, and then cross your left over your right. So let's try that with some counts. We're doing our cross points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 4 in our final section of the dance. You're going to step your right foot to the right side, and you're going to touch your left toe slightly across your right. You're now going to step your left foot to the left side and step your right toe slightly across your left. Now this last 4 counts changes depending on where we are in the dance. I'm going to talk about the first rotation, which is the first time we go all the way around and do all of the walls. The very first time we do the dance, so our first wall facing 12 o'clock, this is going to be a grapevine quarter turn. So you're just going to step your right foot to the right side, cross your left foot behind your right, make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping forward with your right foot, then step forward with your left, and then you'll be ready to start the dance all over again. The second time that we do the dance, which will be facing 3 o'clock, you're going to make it a rolling grapevine. So you're going to make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping forward with your right foot. You're going to make a half turn over your right shoulder, stepping back with your left foot, and then you're going to make a half turn over your right shoulder, stepping forward with your right foot, and then step forward with your left, and then you're ready to start the dance all over again. Now, the 3rd, 4th, and 5th times that we do the dance, we're going to make those hops. This is going to change slightly how we do the first few counts of the dance. When we get to those hopping portions, you're going to do 4 hops that are going to make a quarter turn over your right shoulder. So we're going to hop both feet together. We're going to hop together, together, together. We're now facing whatever wall we would be facing for this purpose. It's 3 o'clock. And because our weight is technically on both feet, you are going to hop forward with both feet out, and start the dance all over again. So it's going to feel like you're doing 5 hops because of how you start the dance. The last 2 times that you're doing the hops is also when the song says shivers. So on that cross rock with your left over your right, you're going to shimmy your shoulders, and then you'll do your turning triple. Again, that whole last ending is totally up to you. If you do not want to follow the rotations of the grapevine, rolling grapevine, and then the hops, you can hop for all of them, you can grapevine for all of them, you can rolling grapevine for all of them. The choice is kind of yours, but that is the rotation that is listed on the step sheet. So the last few counts will be 5, 6, 7, 8, no matter which one you are choosing to do. So if you do the grapevine with a quarter turn, 5, 6, 7, 8. If you do the roll, it's still 5, 6, 7, 8. And if you do the hops, it will be 5, 6, 7, 8. So the choice is totally yours. When we go around, I'm going to do all of the rotation when we do 5 walls so that you know how it flows. So let's do that last section. We're going to do it with just a grapevine because that is our first wall, but know that it does change as you go through the dance. So we were just on our jazz box. You're going to step to the side and do your touch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then you're ready to start all over again. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it one time through with steps, one time through with counts. The first time I do it, I'm going to do the regular grapevine quarter turn. The second time I do it, I'm going to do the rolling grapevine quarter turn. So weight is on your left. We're hopping out with our right and our left. It's out, out. Hold, bump, left, right, bump around, left, back, right, left. Cross rock, recover in your triple. Cross rock, recover, quarter, triple, step, point. Cross, point, jazz box, quarter, turn with a cross step, touch across, step, touch across, grapevine, quarter, turn with a step, and then you're ready to start the dance all over again. So let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left. We're hopping out, and 1, hold, 2, bump, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then you're ready to start all over again. So now let's go through the full rotation of that last 4 counts, changing through the walls. Wall 1, or our first wall, you will be facing 12 o'clock. That is when you're going to do just your grapevine quarter turn. Wall 2, or our 3 o'clock facing wall, this is when you're going to do your rolling grapevine. So you will do quarter, half, half, forward, and then you'll start the dance all over again. When we get to our 3rd wall, or our 6 o'clock wall, this is when you're going to start your hops. The first hop does not have shimmies. So you're just going to do your hop, making a quarter turn, hop, hop, hop. You're now facing 9 o'clock. When we do our 4th wall, our 9 o'clock facing wall, this is one of your shimmy walls. When you do that crosswalk, this is also where you will do hops back to the front. Wall 5 is our last hop wall. You will hop to make quarter turn to the right to face 3 o'clock. When we get to 3 o'clock, this will start that rotation all over again. So you'll start with your grapevine quarter turn. Then when we get to the back wall, you will do your rolling grapevine quarter turn. Then it will start your hops again. So this is the hops without shimmies. Back to the front. And then this will be the hops with your shimmy. And then when you get to the side wall, this will be your hops with your shimmy. Now, when we finish 2 rotations of doing every type, we're going to leave off the grapevine quarter turn and we'll just skip right to the rolling and do the 3 hops. So when we get to the back wall for the 3rd time, this is when you are going to do just your rolling grapevine. Then it will be hops and hops for the rest of the dance. So you're going to end up going around 2 times before it starts changing again. So now let's go around. On the front and back walls, I'm going to do steps. Side walls, we're going to do counts. I am going to call the ending out for every wall. Again, if you choose to just pick one of them, feel free. I'm going to talk about that rotation that you would do that fits the music. So wall 1 will be your grapevine quarter turn. Weight is starting on your left foot. We're going to start with our hop out, out. So it's out, out, hold, bump, bump, bump around. Cross rock, recover in your triple. Cross rock, recover, quarter triple. Cross point, jazz box quarter turn with a cross. Step, touch across. And your grapevine quarter turn. Now hop out and 1. Hold 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rolling grapevine. 5, 6, 7, 8. Out, out. Hold, bump, bump, bump around. Cross rock, recover in your triple. Cross rock, recover, quarter triple. Cross point, jazz box, quarter turn with a cross. Step touch across. This is going to start your hops. Hop together, 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 quarter. Now hop out, out. Hold. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Shimmy. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. Now your hops. 5, 6, 7, 8. Out, out. Hold, bump, bump, bump around. Cross rock, recover in your triple. Cross rock, shimmy and triple. Quarter turn, cross point, jazz box, quarter turn. Step touch across. This is your last hopping wall. Hop, 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 hop. And then you'll continue on with the dance. Now, when you go out dancing it, some people have known this for a very long time. Some people will make those hops turn around in a circle, which is also kind of fun, some extra styling. But it's a big fun dance that's very popular. It's done everywhere. So now that you've learned it with the tutorial, you can use the timestamp in the video description below to skip to the rear demo so you can practice as much as you would like so that you can go out and rock this very popular dance out on a dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn Gives Me Shivers. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.
Shiver.